Hello students, so in this video I'm going to be talking about how to install Jupyter Notebook in Python virtual environment. Now, the prerequisite for this video is Python should already be installed. If it is not installed, then look at my video on the description down below on how to install Python. Alright, step number one, you want to create a directory Gemini. So go to your Windows Explorer, and I'm actually creating a directory in desktop. I'm doing it on my desktop. You can pick up your directory of your choosing. So on my desktop, I create a directory and I call it Gemini. And this is where I'll be storing my code. So this is a project I'm working on, Gemini. Step number two, go inside this directory Gemini and right click and open up terminal. Open in terminal. All right. So come over here, go inside my Gemini. Okay, as you can see, I'm inside my Gemini directory. Right click, open in terminal, and you're gonna see this terminal. Let me bring this terminal in the center and minimize the screen. Let me increase the size of the terminal so you can see. All right, now and make it a little bigger. All right, so on this terminal I'm going to be entering these commands. Number one, python space -m space venv underscore Gemini. So I'm going to put these commands on the description down below. Oh, sorry, not this one. Here you go. Copy and paste this command. Okay, I'm in my Gemini directory, and in my Gemini directory I'm typing this command. Hit enter, and it's going to take maybe 2 to 3 minutes for this command to run. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so Python virtual environment has been successfully installed, and let's verify that. To verify that, type this command dir. So go back to your terminal and type dir, enter, and you should see this directory env underscore Gemini. That's the environment. Okay, that's the one I just created. It's in there. All right. Now I'm going to activate my environment, and the way you activate is by running this command. So I'm going to copy this, go back to my terminal, and paste this command. Okay, env Gemini scripts activate. Hit enter, and then you would see this option appear over here. This text actually is telling you that your env Gemini has been activated. Okay, so my environment has been activated now. Great. Then let's install our Jupyter notebook now. So I'm going to copy this, paste it over here, and this is going to install my Jupyter notebook. So I'm basically typing env Gemini /scripts /python.exe -m pip install Jupyter. Run this, hit enter, and this could take anywhere between 2 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so my Jupyter notebook has been successfully installed. You're going to see this message, something like this. All right, now let's fire up my Jupyter notebook. So I'm going to copy this and paste it over there. Hit enter. Again, these commands are, I'm going to put these commands in the description down below. All right, now let me increase the size of the screen. There you go. Okay, now you can create a new notebook by clicking over here, click on Python 3, and you will see this untitled. So let's create a simple program. Print hello, hello, that's it. And let's run this. And there you go. It ran successfully. Good. Now let's install a package. Let's install NumPy. The way you install a package, you go like this, you put this exclamation sign, PIP space INSTALL, install, and then let's say the package is NumPy. Type NumPy, I'm sorry, and then click on run. This could take anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay, So the package has been successfully installed. Now, how do I check this? All I have to do is type import numpy, and if I run this, it's gonna work just fine. Great, it works. All right, you can change the name of the file now. So this is untitled. Let's call this file as hello. That's it. So it's gonna be hello.ipynb. Rename it, and then if you look over here, it's hello now. All right, now we can close this. So close this tab. Changes maybe not save. Okay, let's save it. So there's a save button right there. So you can save the button and close it. Okay, close the whole thing now. Or if you want, you can go back to your terminal and you can control C. That's gonna kill the process. That's gonna close your process. There you go. I hit control C and that interrupted the process. Okay, now I want to start this process again. So all you have to do next time when you come in is open up your Gemini, go over here inside your Gemini directory, right click, open in new terminals, and then let me increase the size of the terminal so you can see it. All right, and then type the same command, the one that was used uh, to open up your notebook, which was this right here. Okay, it's the same command. Control C, come over here, paste this. Okay, let me increase the size of the screen so it's visible. There you go, it's the same command, and then hit enter. And there you go. And this is the hello.ipynb I just created. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you.